Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me for another outfit change for one of my dolls in my Reborn collection. This is Dorothy, and yes, this is the Ellie Sue kit by Bonnie Brown. And yes, you can see that the paint is all messed up. And yes, this is a problem with the vinyl kit from the factory. The paint did not stick onto her vinyl, and this is a problem that a lot of artists had with this kit. But I am determined to try to find a way to fix it. I am working with a couple other artists and with some different products to try and salvage this kit, because it has a lot of detail with it and a lot of work that I put into it, so I really want to try and make it work. So I found this outfit in Old Navy, and Old Navy has some great stuff, by the way, if you're looking for cute stuff for real babies as well as your dolls. But I found this and it was on sale for, I think it was $7. So I thought I'd pick it up, and I thought it was really cute with the little penguin, and I thought it would be perfect for Miss Dorothy. So this is her new outfit.